Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never.
What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, and in this video I'm going to be covering the recent price action we have seen in BTC. I'm also going to be breaking down XRP, basic attention token, and Chainlink. But before I jump in this video, guys, I just want to show you one of my recent videos on YouTube that I made over 2 to 3 weeks ago, and show you how these have actually come to play and have played out to perfection. So 3 weeks ago, guys, I uploaded a video, Bitcoin back to 6,000. Guess what happened, guys? BTC went all the way down to 6,500. Also, another video I uploaded over 2 weeks ago when price was about 27.28 cents. I said, is XRP going back down to 20 cents? And look how, guys, absolute perfection. We hit that 20 cent exactly, guys. So if you don't already, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. The calls have been accurate so far. Also, if you want to keep up to date with my real-time analysis and my real trades and my up-to-date analysis and trades, consider following me on my free Telegram, guys. For example, today I gave a setup, said that the 618 fib has been broken. However, the price is hugely oversold on most time frames, which will lead to a relief rally to retest broken support. The overall bias remains bearish for now. And as you can see, guys, absolute perfection today, guys. We retested the 618 fib. I'll be getting into this in a bit more detail as in a few moments as the video goes on. I just want to show you how accurate this call was, guys. And my followers on my Telegram got this alert first, guys, and as you can see, huge profits were made once again, guys, and all my trades are here to put on for clarity and for you guys to follow and also profit along with me. So first of all, I just want to jump into BTC and just show you what's happened. So this is the weekly time frame, guys. I've said this time and time again, we are still creating these lower highs, we are still creating these lower lows. Nothing has changed. We're still in this channel of prices getting pushed down to the downside. And I said, look, especially we rejected the 382 fib here, guys. As soon as we got rejected, this was previous support, now term resistance. We broke under the 618, retested and found resistance. And if we carry on going down, guys, the next logical area of support for me is back down at 5,500, which is the 78.6 fib. So the way I found this fib, just want to show you. So if I take this away, I just want to show how I drew this on. So all I did is went from the low in December all the way to the recent high that we had back in June. And this aligns perfectly, guys, and these fibs make absolute sense and why they have been playing out. Also, the upside targets, guys, if we do happen to break above the 618, break above 382 and retest this top of 13,000, my next target is the $16,700, which coincides with this previous week. But at the moment, we have got a long way to go before even we start retesting it. I still believe just because since breaking above, we haven't really retested this area before. So I guess this could come into play. But it would not surprise me if we do try to climb above, retest this again, and probably get rejected once again. Also, I just want to show you this fib trend setup that I've currently got going on. If I drop down to the daily time frame, I just want to show you. So this fib trend just gives you potential upside targets if we start climbing higher. This is something I cover with all my one-to-one students. So I've got the low from here all the way to the recent high, and I drag this back down to the recent low here. I just want to show you also, I had this confluence of why I thought it was going to retest the 618. Like I said, I covered this also in my Telegram, the 23.6 fib and the 618 basically point on point, guys, and that was enough confidence to believe that this area was going to be retested. Also, using the fib trend setup gives you also potential upside targets. So we have the 382 fib on the trend. So if we do happen to break above, my next target is a 7,700, possibly 7,800 if we do break above this region. However, if we get rejected, break under, my next line of support is 5,500 at 78.6. So either way, we have huge trades coming in potentially. So I'm going to be waiting patiently to see how these play out, and then I'm going to jump on these like a ninja. So next up, XRP, very similar again, guys. If I just take it back on my Telegram, I'm just going to show you how far these calls of 20 cents have been playing out, guys. So if I take it way back, even back here on the 21st of November, we had the ribbon guiding the price down. I said on here, Aritas was 618. If it breaks, I have my downside targets below. And as you can see, the downside targets came to absolute perfection. So this is something I've been trying about, is the fib trend. And like I said, if I just flip down to the daily, you see how accurate these have been. So every time a level has got retested, price has dropped lower and lower. As you see, 382, we found support, got rejected, again found support on the 50, got rejected, then found support on the 618, fall under, got rejected, and then we carried all the way down to 20 cents, and I had my buy orders already sent in here. I did not have any buy orders set here, and my buy was set here, and they got filled. Also further down, I have these targets of potentially 19 to 20 cents. I just want to show you why this is a potential downside target. So this is taking it back to October 2017. I mean, since breaking above these levels, guys, we haven't really come down to test again for support. Since breaking over, we created these higher highs, these wicks closing above each other, and then we had that absolute rocket in price where we went absolutely crazy to $3.30. So if we do happen to break under this 20 cents, I believe we will quickly tap the 19 to 18 cent region, and no doubt it will be something similar to what we saw at 20 cents, guys. It will be a quick tap before working to the upside, because I believe a lot of buy orders have been set within this region. Also, I'm not counting out even if we do drop down to 13 cents, guys. This because this fib trend gives them that downside target of the 161.8%, which falls perfectly with this previous wick that we had back down here. Aligns perfectly with this, so it would not surprise me if we did, even from under this green box of support here, would actually tap that region before flying to the upside. Also, a basic attention token. I gave this recent video, guys. I said, look, these are the coins that I'm currently buying, but I said the regions, the kind of prices I'm looking to buy at is still roughly about 15 cents, guys. At the moment, we are finding support on the 618. Just seeing how well this holds up. If we start breaking above the 382 fib, which is now acting as resistance, then I could be potentially looking for some upside targets. However, if we get rejected, then I believe the 786 and the last line of support back down at 15 cents can come into play. Again, I have my buy order set in this region. Same again with Chainlink. It is mimicking what is happening with basic attention token, where I've got rejected, broke under support, and we're now finding support on the 618 fib. Again, this was from the recent low to the recent high, 618. We're finding support where, as you can see, a lot of buy orders were set, and that's why we had this kind of wick to the upside. So this is what I can see currently happening with BTC. I'm still waiting patiently, waiting for it to play out to see which direction we are going to take. If we're going to start retesting the higher fib targets, or we're going to get rejected here and start falling down and go down to that $5,500 region. So once again, don't forget to follow me on my free Telegram, guys. You get all my up-to-date trades and analysis in real time, and you get to see what I do and also vote for the next video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, give me a like, leave a comment in the comment section. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.